Your car is one of your most valuable assets. It takes you to and from the places that make you money, pay your bills, feed your family, and more. For this reason, you should be taking extra care of your vehicle if you want it to last a long time. There are many ways you can damage your vehicle, so it is important that you develop good car care practices early on in your driving career. Many drivers have developed habits that they think are helpful, but actually do more harm. Continue listening to learn the top 6 ways you are ruining your vehicle without even knowing it, and what you can do if it is no longer suited for the road. Here are the 6 ways you are destroying your car. 1. Revving the gas. Many drivers believe they can warm the engine up faster by revving the gas pedal over and over again, but this is not good for your vehicle because it leads to engine damage. If it is cold outside, it is best to allow your vehicle's inner fluids to warm up, but revving the engine is not the right way to do it. 2. Riding the brakes. Many people also have a habit of riding the brakes, which basically means slightly adding pressure on the brake pedal while driving so that they can stop instantly at any time. This practice, often executed on downward hills, is highly damaging to a vehicle's overall braking system. Driving at lower speeds will help eliminate the urge to keep your foot on the brake pedal at all times. 3. Failing to decelerate at bumps and potholes. Speed bumps, potholes, and other surface blemishes can be highly destructive to a vehicle's suspension and undercarriage parts if you fail to significantly reduce your speed while passing over them. In fact, potholes should be avoided at all costs. Speed bumps should be driven over, cautiously and slowly. 4. Habitually driving with low fuel. Gas prices are certainly a bummer, but you do not want to drive around with $10 in your tank at all times. Be sure to always fuel up all the way at every fill-up in order to prevent forcing your vehicle to use the old, mucky fuel at the bottom of the fuel tank at some point in time. This will lead to engine damages and clogged filters. 5. Suddenly starting and stopping. Whether in rush hour traffic or in a big hurry to not be late to work, you do not want to resort to sudden stopping and starting, over and over again. This habit of driving puts a lot of pressure on the internal workings of the braking system and rotors, and significantly increase fuel consumption. 6. Neglecting regular scheduled maintenance. Routine car maintenance, such as inspections and fluid chances, are imperative for vehicle safety, performance, and longevity. Be sure to have your car serviced according to the instructions in the owner's manual if you want to avoid unsafe driving conditions and repeated repair costs. Is your car done for? If you are guilty at damaging your vehicle beyond the possibility of repair, you still can bring home a profit to use toward a new vehicle. Simply sell your junked car for cash on the spot at any local junk cat buyer. Regardless of age, make, model, or condition, a professional junk car buying company will pay you cash for the recyclable scrap metal inside your vehicle. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something. Subscribe for more video updates.